Hey guys, welcome to Recurrence, the commission code. I'm going to quickly walk you through how to get this thing set up. So glad you're here. Hopefully you're in the inner circle or you're thinking about joining the inner circle where we can really work together, or you've decided to upgrade to the product creator and then we're probably already in touch. We're probably already working on your product. But let's get through this really quickly. Just a few things to get set up. Super simple. First off, you're going to access your document here. So we're right here on the page here. We're gonna go over to our commission code, and what you want to do is you just want to make a copy. Okay, guys, click make a copy. Now, in this, all these ones that are highlighted with blue, those are where you're going to put in your affiliate links. For example, the first one is going to be Nameshare or Namecheap. Sorry. So that's that share a sale. So you go over to share a sale, set up account, and then apply to promote Namecheap. Autoresponder, same thing. You just get your affiliate link from Aweber, get your affiliate link from Clickfunnels, get your, just go through this and you want to put in wherever I've got an affiliate link, you want to put yours in. Really important at the bottom here. And this is where your money is going to come from. This is going to be your monthly money. At the bottom here, right here, go down. This right here, get your own copy of Resurgence. This is where you're going to put in your affiliate link for commission code. Okay, so in order to get that, guys, I put a link here, right here. Request your copy. So all you need to do is hit the request approval, right, and then say I am a Recurrence customer. And then put your email in there, guys. Whatever my buying email is, because this is only for people that have paid. So just put that in. Put your name in there, whatever it is. Don't leave it blank because I don't want to have to go try chase you guys down or track you guys down. Just put it in there. My buying email is fnanetwork@gmail.com. My name, or just put thank you in your name. It's also so I know who you are if you join the inner circle and come into the inner circle. So you just do that and you request offer, and then it'll be showing pending, and then I'm auto approved. I have 2 Warrior Plus accounts, guys. So that's it, and then you've got your link, right? You just copy your link here, go back over to your commission system, and right on here you would just put in right here, put in your affiliate link. So now anytime someone downloads your copy of the commission code, they're going to get your affiliate link there. Okay, so then once you've gone through, it's going to take you a little bit to get all the links, but just go through. This is ClickBank, Legendary Marketer, ClickBank. These are traffic sources or traffic authority, and you can just set up accounts there, guys, and be resellers. Traffic Blade, and this one is Udemy. So you can get these links. Pretty much all these links are available for you guys, so you don't have to worry about it. You do need the programs, so I'm going to show you that you do need the programs. Like this document is for real. This is what you need. These are the 5 core components of an online business, and if you don't have these 5 components, then you're not serious about doing an online business. So that's just it. You know what I mean? Like if you're not going to do that, then you're not serious about your business. This is what you need to do. Okay, so we've got that. We've got our links. Okay, now we are going to go back here. So we've changed all the affiliate links, so that's hopefully you guys can do that. Shouldn't take you long, 20 minutes, half an hour, depending. Some stuff might take you a little bit to get approved, but you can do it, and then you can update it, right? So then you download it as a PDF to share, and then you're going to watch this video that I'm creating right now. It's not in here because I'm creating it. Okay, so Aweber Crash Course. Now, I've put this in here. You can go get the crash course. This is in my Get Paid with Glenn course, which is another free course for you guys to use. Just go through there. You don't need to buy the swipes or anything like this. This I've already changed. Let me see if I can refresh this. Oops. Back. Refresh this because there it is. the commission code campaign setup. So what I've done is I've given you an import code, so you can basically set it up, and I've given you these images and stuff. So to set up your import code, right, go over to your Aweber account, and you've made a list. And if you don't know how to make a list, go through. It's very, very simple. Just follow the steps. Go through. There's tons on my YouTube channel of how to set up a list. In the Aweber crash course, they show you how to set up a list. I'm not going to get into setting up a list because you guys can figure it out. Okay, but so campaigns, right? So we're going to create a campaign, right? And right here up in the corner, it says import campaign. We're just going to go over here. Oops. We're going to go over here, and we're going to grab this code, copy that. Back here, we're going to import campaign sharing code, and then it'll take a second, and it'll be in there. Now, the most important thing, guys, is this is just to set up your campaign. You can create as many emails as you want. You just hit wait. That's all in the crash course. But this first email is really important. So your downloads are inside. So what I like to do is send them to a delivery page, okay? Because I want to, maybe I'm going to change, maybe I'll put another program, a hot program there. So what I like to do is I like to send them to a delivery page, okay? So this first one here, okay? So this says simply sharing your copy of Recurrence, right? So the first thing we're going to do is we're telling them that they can make money sharing this. And guys, you do get paid 100% commission. So back here, grab this link again, right? Copy it, and make sure you change this out, because if you don't, it's going to be my affiliate link in there. All right. Now, your free download can be found here. Now, what I did is I made a delivery page. Okay, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. It's so easy, guys. So simple. So the delivery page is right here. All right, so it just looks like this. And I remember in here, I've given you guys images to use. Now, currently, the new version of Clickfunnels doesn't allow you to share the funnel. They did, and then they didn't. So whenever that becomes available, I'll just share this page with you. But this is really easy to set up, guys. So what you want to do is, this is kind of a tricky thing. I do actually three pages, right, guys? Because we're collecting emails. The first page is going to be your landing page. Super easy to make, and I'll give you the link for it. So this is how you probably ended up getting into it, because this offer isn't available to the public. This is only by private invitation. So guys, you simply do this. This is a subheadline, this is a headline, this is an image, this is an input, and this is a button. When you click the button, it takes you to to sell recurrence. Okay, guys, it takes you right to sell recurrence. Now, you can choose to do that. It will take you to the front page of that, and you can put your affiliate link in there, right? Because they're going to be getting their email. Or what I like to do, and I haven't adjusted this yet, I make a second page that says this: please check your email now. Thank you, right? So this is a subheadline, this is an image, and a button, okay? So in here, I want to go to preview. I want to go to live page. See what it says? Please check your email. We're going to copy that address, and we're going to go back to our first one. So when they submit, instead of taking them to sell them something, we're going to take them to the please check your email, right? Because they want this thing. They want this. You probably went through these exact steps. So we're going to take them to that please check your email, because we want them to click the link in the email in order to receive this. So that now right here, so they see this, right? And then on this page, guys, see what I was talking about? I can make a sale. make Recurrence the commission code. Make 100% commissions by giving Recurrence the commission code away. Okay, so we go back here, we edit this, and now we put our affiliate link right in there. Okay, and I'm going to go grab my affiliate link, copy, and I'm going to put it right in there in the go to, and put my affiliate link right in there. All right, you can see that all right. Okay, then we're going to save that. Now for delivery, basically, guys, we just use this same page, except we put the image, as soon as it goes to it, hopefully it didn't freeze. There we go. All I did was I took that graphic, right? I took the graphic from this page right here, and I downloaded it to my computer, and then I basically put it on this page. And then I took all the information from below. Again, this button is going to, come on, take us to our affiliate link. Right? And we don't need this anymore. We can actually take this part out. All right, and now the download button, guys, we need to create an asset in our Clickfunnels here. So what we want to do is we've got our 3 pages we made. We made an opt-in, we made a check your email, and then we made a delivery. So we're going to go back over here. We're going to go out of our funnels. Going to go over to our assets, funnels. It's down here in settings, I believe. My assets and downloads. And what you want to do is you just want to upload, right? Upload file. And then when you've uploaded the file, you're going to go here, and on this download current file, you want to right click and you want to copy link address. Or yeah, you want to copy the link address. So you want to right click on that. Don't download it. You want to copy the link address, right? Then we're going to go back to our funnels here. We're going to go back to the Recurrence commission code. And then on our download, we're going to put down here, go to, and we're going to give them that link right there, okay? So basically our Recurrence commission code funnel is set up. The last thing we need to do is connect it with Aweber, because we've got our list. We made our first email of our campaign. We've already set those links up. You've already got that set up, and guys, you can watch this video again. So what we need to do is we need to come out here and we need to add something that's called a workflow to this. And don't worry, guys. This is why I'm actually walking you through this. This is something you need to learn. You're going to learn how to do this because I want you making landing pages daily. You can make unlimited landing pages here. I want you to go find every product you can and make a landing page just like this for it. Whether you're giving them a PDF, whether you're sending them to an affiliate program, whatever it is, you see the process, right? Give them something, tell them they're going to get something, prompt them with something for sale, and then give them the thing. So in the workflow here, there's a little lightning bolt here. All we need to do is and I haven't done this yet, so we're gonna do a new workflow. This is going to be called Recurrence, the commission code. We're gonna go opt-in, and we're gonna create a workflow. All right, now we're going to add right here this little button. We're going to connect it, third-party integration right here. We're gonna go down to this one, Aweber. We're going to click on it. Now, if you haven't connected it to your account, it'll ask you to add your Aweber account here. All it's going to do is get you to log into Aweber, give it permission, and that's it. My Aweber account's already in here, so I just need to click on it. I go next. Please select an action, and I want to add to list. Now it's going to give me all my lists that are in my auto response. You guys will probably just have one if you're brand new. And I need to go find my recurrence. The commission code. Map the data. It's going to be email. Even though we're not asking for a name, I always do this just in case I choose to, oops, it's not giving me an option to, there it is. All right, next, and we're going to save that. So now it's connected. So the minute the person comes into our page and clicks on it, right? So what did I do? We created a capture, created delivery, go share, buy traffic. Okay, so now that we've got this done, so this is all connected. We want to turn it on up here, enable the workflow. Go back to our page, which you just go over here and you just click on here and it goes back to your page. Now we can go get right here, we can get our link. Right here is our link. So we can copy it to our clipboard. And the best thing you want to do is test it out. All right, so unlock your commissions today. So it takes me to, please check your email now. Thank you, Recurrence, the commission code. So I need to go over to my email here, guys. I'm just gonna pause the video for 1 second. All right, guys, so as you can see right in here, my email came in. Hey, it's Glenn. Congrats on grabbing Recurrence, the commission code. Just following these simple instructions that have changed my life and I know will change yours. Now, before you grab your download, check this out. Did you know that you can make 100% commission simply sharing your copy of Recurrence, the commission code? Now, if I click here, it takes me to the sales page, guys. And if someone clicks that and buys that, you get 100% commissions. Thank you to your huge success this year. Your free download can be found at the link here. And there it is, guys. I click here, and it takes me to the PDF. So it works perfectly. And now I've got my first subscriber on my list. Just like that. All right, guys. So that's it. So the last step now is just go pick one of the traffic sources in here, right? Pick one of these traffic sources and go give them your landing page. Give them your landing page. Oh, those are the, I highly recommend these guys. I am a member of all these programs. These are top-notch programs. Pick one of these traffic sources, go get clicks, and send it to you. Now, hopefully you've joined the inner circle. If you haven't, then you've got you're fine. But I will see you in the inner circle, hopefully in no time. Cheers.